Now, sometimes when you got a lake this calm, you're going to want to disturb the peace just a little bit, you know, and rough things up just a little bit, you know. And, well, we got this Mercury 60 horse. She's a 94. Engine was built last year. She's a 3-cylinder, 60 horse. Had to get one new piston. Well, last night she got a starter rebuild. I ended up rebuilding the starter in her. And it's about time we see what the hell she's got. Because way too quiet out here. Let's fire this son of a bitch up here. Jesus Christ. Didn't she friggin' just fire? And look at the goddamn blue coal just rolling right out of her. I'm pretty much certain that she's ready for takeoff. We might as well fire this sumbitch right up and see how quick we can get her up on plane. Let's give her some. Put the old fucking corn right to her.